Hi, I'm Sarah Hatch here, ready to give you the Hatch tip of the day. Today we're talking about GFCI outlets, which are typically in a bathroom or a kitchen. You can also find them in other areas of the house. Sometimes they're on outside outlets as well, but they usually have two buttons in them. So they're an outlet that has two buttons, usually a red and a black. The red is the reset button that you would press in if it has popped, or the black, which is to test it. You can also get one of these, which is a commercial electric outlet tester. This one has a special button that has a GFCI tester. So when I plug it in and then push this button, it will actually test the GFCI to make sure that it's working. So if I plug this in right here, and the two oranges say that it is a correctly wired outlet, and I could just simply press this button and test the GFCI. So that works, and you can simply reset it by pressing the red button here. So usually that happens when an outside outlet or a pole light goes out, and that is how you reset it. Now, if you're having trouble, it could be an outlet that is in your kitchen or in your bathroom. Now, usually all the bathrooms are connected to one GFCI series. Usually the kitchen has maybe a separate one. So you'd have to figure out which one it's connected to, and in order to test it and reset it. There might be a wiring problem, so that's why this one comes in handy versus just testing it and resetting it at the outlet. This will tell you if there's a problem with the outlet. Now, have you ever been so frustrated to plug in to your outlet and nothing happens, right? Your hairdryer, your curling iron doesn't turn on. So it could be because the breaker or the GFCI has tripped. So you can come to the outlet, and actually if you just simply press the little button, the red button, and it turns on your device. If that doesn't work, then I would go to your breaker panel and check your breaker that applies to that area of the house. Make sure that you flip it off and then all the way back on to see if it will get you power back to your outlet. If you have any questions about this, please call us at 703-966-2232. Thank you so much for watching.